It's your boy Keith Valentino, and I'm back with another room review of 2026 room tour, room review, whatever you want to call it, for sure. But hey, got my bed right here, clean. Nah, it's not looking clean, boy. Nah, it is. Nah, it's looking clean, but I ain't gonna lie. But I got the Jordan, got Juice WRLD, I got all them. Yeah. This and I'm playing some Peak on PS4, which is Peak, old Peak, but Peak. Anyway, I'm playing Destiny 2, which is old Peak, Peak is there. Yeah, I got Rogue Company, Marvel vs. Capcom demo. I got Call of Duty, I got Xenoverse 2, Light, which is cold. I fuck with it. I got Spotify, I got GC, I got Roblox, crazy. I gotta go through yeah, go to Tsushima. And I got Dragon Ball Genshin Squadron. So, but I ain't gonna lie, I think about this game, shit, I might play this game. I'm sorry, Destiny 2. Gonna have to get booted off game. But anyway, I'm gonna have to play Xenoverse, that's cool. But anyway, yeah. Oh, boy. I got the accomplishments right here. You feel me? Got the medal, you feel me? I fuck with the medal. But yeah, got the compliment, you feel me? Got the backpack, this the main backpack. Got the secondary backpack, you feel me? Special cages, face ass. But anyway, got the other accomplishments. Like best attendance, you feel me? You feel me? Got the biology, boom, got this, the best hard worker, team together. Ethic, my bad. This right here, my prized possession right here. My A honor roll. AB honor roll. AB honor roll. This English. Yeah, English. A honor English. Yeah. English. And y'all got my earbuds right here. That's my main earbuds. And then my secondary earbuds when these go out, if these go out. And I feel like I'm a drawer. Got this. And my bed. I got one. I got my water glasses all over here. Got my other drawer. Got boy. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I barely believe. I mean, not barely, but I don't really, cause you know I don't really like people stare. Niggas know. No, for real, people know though. But anyway, got the Venom poster, got the Juice book, I got everything. Hey, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I like this right here. I like this right here. Boom. Let me go to I don't care. Alright, I got everything. Alright, and then I got this flag over here. So if you come in my room, see nothing but this flag when you're in my room. And then this when you open the door. Alright, y'all. So let me know what y'all want to see next. Room tours, vlogs, all that. Let me know what y'all want to see next. Alright.